Hello everyone. We just completed a 1 week course on AI and ML, and I have the
Basically, for this 1 week, we'll teach you some basic concept of AI and machine learning. We'll teach you something related to the most exciting technology and applications you are using, like ChatGPT, large language models, etc. But we will start from very basic, so you don't need any prior technology knowledge. You can take this course. We will start from very basic, then we gradually move from simple machine learning models to deep learning models, then finally to some generative AI models. So the idea is to let students understand the basics and also understand the techniques behind those impressive AI technologies.
Now, can you quickly brief us that how does it help in their future career?
Okay.
That is what the motto is, because the parents are spending so much of money and we have to pay so much of fees. So how can this basic course help them in their future career?
I think this course mainly is to give them some exposure to understand AI and the technology. So maybe they can, through this experience, they can explore whether this is the area they want to pursue in the future. So that is one thing. The second thing, as you mentioned, this won't guarantee you into the US, because we have a very standard admission process. Every student needs to go through that process. But come to NUS, look at the campus, interact with NUS faculties, look how we teach you. Then you have an idea whether this is a place you want to come in the future for your university studies, etc.
Five days of learning, just 5 days, and I'm surprised how I went from having no knowledge of machine learning to making my own functioning algorithm. The time I spent in Singapore, especially at NUS, will definitely be a core memory for me in the future. The look on everyone's face when we went from simple algorithms to neural network was priceless, and working with my peers the entire night to finish our project was honestly a great experience. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank a professor who always answered my questions with patience, even when they were quite silly, to be honest.
Hello, my name is Akshay Sangvi, and I'm grateful to Eduinfinite for organizing this amazing AI and machine learning course at NUS Singapore. Singapore was absolutely beautiful, clean, green, and so well organized. From the stunning skyline to the multicultural vibe, it was an experience I'll never forget. The course itself was eye-opening. The sessions were engaging, hands-on, and full of real-world relevance. I'd like to extend a special thanks to Professor Oijin, whose clarity and passion made complex topics so accessible. And I'm truly honored to have been selected as the winner among all the groups. That was a moment of pure joy.
Hi, my name is Aryan Chaudhary. So this is a testimonial about the summer camp that happened at NUS in Singapore. My teacher was Broughton sir. So he gave me an opportunity to visit the NUS campus, a 7-day campus tour and courses, which was about AI and machine learning. It was a very helpful practice and a new skill for me, as I'm a finance student, and AI and machine learning is the future. So I had a good connection between them, and it was a nice initiative he took, and it was a really nice trip. He arranged everything well, and it was very amazing. I loved it. And
Hey guys, this is Samarth Agarwal, a student studying in St. Xavier's College School, Calcutta in class 10, and I'm truly grateful to my school and Eduinfinite for giving me the incredible opportunity to attend the 5-day course of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at the National University of Singapore. This experience was both eye-opening and inspiring. It gave me a real-world understanding of how AI is shaping the future and how powerful it can be when applied responsibly. The sessions were engaging and hands-on, helping me grasp not only the theoretical aspects but also how AI is used in practical applications like healthcare, finance, and robotics. Being on international campus like NUS was a huge learning experience in itself.
Hello everyone, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Eduinfinite for organizing this incredible study tour in Singapore, centered around artificial intelligence and machine learning. It was truly a dream come true to engage with such cutting-edge topics at my dream university, the National University of Singapore. The academic sessions were not only intellectually stimulating but also offered practical insights that deepened my understanding of the field. What truly elevated the experience was the visits to leading companies like Bloomberg, Microsoft, Google, and Coca-Cola. Hearing from professionals about how AI and ML is shaping the industries gave me a valuable perspective on real-world applications and future opportunities.